With a highly comprehensive work order system that allows for improved communications between managers and drivers, Collective Data has some great ways to improve maintenance for your fleet.
Maintenance is a definitely very important aspect for fleet management programs, and that is the heart of the system, especially towards the beginning of the evolution of the system. We have a very comprehensive work order system that brings in parts inventory, of course, which can include multiple warehouses and transferring those. It captures all the tech time. There's a views for technicians specifically, so they can log in and have easy access to just the information they need, quickly identify repair history for the vehicle they're working on so they can make better decisions. So communication between the managers and the drivers is extremely critical for making sure that everything is operating correctly. And we have in our platform the ability, out of the box, ready to go, ability to have in-app notifications sent between the drivers and the shop based off of certain activities. Emails can be delivered or sent out. SMS text messaging can work within the system as well. We can have reports generated on time-based manners as well. So the manager of drivers could get a report showing the PMs that need to be addressed the next week or month or something like that. So all of that is available. They also have the ability to, besides using the ones that we pre-built for them, they can create their own triggers as well. So that if they want to have an in-app notification, to alert somebody that certain activities have happened, they can set those up too. And one really cool example that we recently just introduced was when a driver's vehicle is ready to be picked up, it'll send an email to the driver, they go pick up the vehicle, and then a couple days later, they'll get another email asking for, how was your service? And they can then rate it 1 to 5, put in some notes to the service, for the technicians and stuff, so they can continue to try to improve their service and just understand where they're doing well and if there's something that they can do better.